Hi guys, this is gsndom.com and I'm here with the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A6, also known as the Samsung Galaxy A6 2018. It's a mid-range handset with an infinity display and it feels sort of like a light version of the Galaxy A8 2018. And also it blurs the line between Galaxy J and Galaxy A models, as you can see through these antenna cutouts, which are clearly inspired by the Galaxy J model. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A6, the latest, the 2018 one, and we're unboxing it right now, right here at gsndom.com. It was announced in early May, we're in early June, we have it, we're playing with it, and I have to say it has a very nice texture at the back. Feels a bit like an iPhone or an iPad thanks to this metallic body and the way it feels in the hand. We have the dual SIM version. We're unboxing it right now. I'm going to fire up the phone and then we can see what's inside. For those of you wondering about the price tag, should be around $350–360. The phone feels very light in the hand. Surprisingly, I scoured the entire internet trying to find the weight. I haven't found it. I'm guessing by my own estimate it's around 140 grams, something like that. Okay, it's firing up. I have to say I'm pretty impressed by how narrow the device is. Now let's see what's happening inside this very white box. Here we find the starting guide, basically the manual, nothing fancy so far. Small metal key to access the slots. Okay, and an USB cable. It's not an USB Type-C, but rather micro USB 2.0, which is probably another indication we're getting closer to the Galaxy J line than the Galaxy A. And the charger here, which promises 5 volt and 1.55 ampere charging, very light. And finally, a pair of headphones, which are those ones, not as premium as the ones you would get with the Galaxy A, that's for sure. This is everything available inside the box. Time to see what the handset is all about, and boy, does it feel light in the hand. Okay, I guess it's time to set it up on a more international language, something like English. Okay, very minimalistic. Start it up. Next. Agreeing. In the GDPR age, this has become very common. Okay, Samsung Galaxy A6 2018. I guess it's time to talk about the size. So it measures 7.7 millimeters in thickness. It also has a 5.6 inch screen. It's no regular screen, it's an infinity display, which means the atypical ratio 18.5:9 is here, as well as a pretty atypical resolution 1480/720 pixels, where usually you would get 1280/720 pixels. The processor is an octa-core one, clocked at 1.6 GHz. It should be an Exynos 7870 coupled with 3 GB of RAM and also 32 GB of storage, plus a micro SD card slot. Now, other things worth mentioning, well, the cameras, as you can see, the front shooter has a flash right here, 16 megapixel shooter at the front, 16 megapixel shooter at the back with its own LED flash, and guess what? The fingerprint scanner is right below the main camera. Antenna cutouts to the top and bottom, inspired by the Galaxy J series, 3000 mAh battery inside, and I also happen to know that Bixby should be part of the package here. As you can see, it requires some network attention. So there's also Dolby Atmos for the headphones, face recognition, and Android Oreo, which I'm actually going to check for myself. I'm not going to believe it without checking. Okay, so status, we may see it here or maybe not. Info about the slots, software information, here we go. Android 8.0.0 with Samsung Experience 9.0 on top. Now the cameras, we have f1.7 aperture at the back and also f1.9 aperture at the front. The phone is available in black, gold, blue, and also should be a special lavender hue. Okay, apparently we're dealing with some sort of Bixby Vision here. It's available among the options. We also get a Pro mode, panorama, continuous shot, HDR, night, sports, sound and shot, and that's only one of the few options available here. The settings, you can film up to Full HD, a few other options, Full HD with the front camera as well, floating buttons, etc. And we have this mechanism of zooming in up to 4 times, not a bad feature, plus a bunch of stickers to play with, like a silly little rabbit's face. Okay, so that's the first contact with the Samsung Galaxy A6 2018, basically a lower end, a lighter version of the Galaxy A8 2018, and also bringing in some elements from the Galaxy J series. $350-$360 price tag. Unbox the GSM Dome. We'll be back with a full review sooner than you think. Bye bye.